distinguished ladies and gentlemen, it's our joy to have you all present at our dinner/awards. We can never stop welcoming you and acknowledging you. You are very much welcome. Tonight we are having 4 categories of awards. The first category is for the 3rd and the 4th quarter staff awards. The second category is the outstation staff awards. This is majorly for our outstation staffs. Our 3rd category is the long service award. And lastly, we'll be having the MD's Special Recognition Awards. These awards have become a part of our culture in Priority Communications Limited, and it is aimed at recognizing and rewarding outstanding